Imagine a friend who is always there for you, always available to listen and provide support. A friend who can help you with your creative endeavors, your everyday tasks, and even your mental health. That friend exists, and it's called AI. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of AI companions and explore all the amazing things they can do for us. If you're an artist, musician, or writer, AI can be your go-to collaborator. There are a plethora of AI-powered tools that can help you bring your creative visions to life. For instance, if you're a painter, AI can generate new color palettes or suggest different brushstrokes. If you're a musician, AI can help you compose melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. And if you're a writer, AI can assist with brainstorming ideas, writing outlines, and even crafting compelling narratives. AI can also be your personal assistant, simplifying your daily routine and freeing up your time for more meaningful pursuits. Imagine having an AI companion that can schedule your appointments, manage your finances, and even organize your wardrobe. AI can also automate mundane tasks like setting alarms, sending reminders, and making travel arrangements. AI can also be your teacher, providing you with a personalized learning experience tailored to your unique interests and needs. AI companions can access and process vast amounts of information, allowing them to answer your questions on a wide range of topics. Whether you're curious about a historical event, want to learn a new language, or delve into the intricacies of quantum physics, AI can be your guide. AI can also play a role in supporting your mental health and well-being. Some AI-powered apps incorporate algorithms to provide personalized support for stress management, mindfulness techniques, and even therapeutic interventions. These AI companions can serve as a listening ear, offering empathy and understanding when you need it most. They can also provide guided meditations, relaxation exercises, and cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to help you manage stress, anxiety, and other mental health challenges. The potential applications of AI companions are constantly expanding. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and sophisticated AI companions emerge. Imagine having an AI companion that can translate languages in real time, helping you connect with people from all over the world, or an AI companion that can provide personalized recommendations for restaurants, travel destinations, and cultural events based on your preferences. The possibilities are truly endless. AI companions have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this.